preheating your oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Next, put 2 very ripe bananas into a bowl and mash them together using a fork. You can leave the bananas as smooth or as chunky as you like. Measure 1 cup of flour and sift the flour into a bowl to help combine the ingredients more evenly. Now measure 1 cup of sugar and add it to the bowl. Add half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Also add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness of the banana bread. Crack the 2 eggs in a separate bowl to avoid getting any eggshells into your mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to the eggs and mix them together well. Pour the mixture into the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of softened unsalted butter to the bowl. Lastly, measure half a cup of vegetable oil and add it to the bowl. Whisk the ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and no more dry flour is visible. Make sure to remember to butter the pan in order to avoid the batter sticking to the pan when it's done. Pour the batter into the pan evenly. Pop it into the preheated oven and set a timer for 40 minutes. Once the 40 minutes are over, take the banana bread out of the oven and let it sit for at least 10 minutes to an hour. Now your banana bread is ready and you can enjoy it with a nice cup of tea.